Hello. How are you today? Thank you for sharing your feelings with me. I like to know how you're feeling. Do you like to play with toys that go? It looks like our friends are playing with toys that move. Chickadee, you are rolling the ball around. Can you roll it to me?
Okay, Fairy.
Oh, got it. Now, I'll roll it back to you.
Got it.
Chickadee rolls the ball. Fairy rolls the ball. Back and forth. Got it. Hug.
Ah.
Oh, Chickadee, let's go see what Munk is doing.
Vroom, 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 vroom.
Hello, Munk. What are you playing with?
This is a car. It goes fast. Vroom.
Ooh.
It can also go slow.
Fast? Slow. The car can go fast, and the car can go slow. Oh, what's Bunny playing with over there?
We're going for a walk, we're going for a walk. Can I push you in your stroller?
Hi, Bunny. Your bunny looks like it's having fun rolling in the stroller. The ball rolls. The car rolls. And the stroller rolls. These toys can move. These toys can go.
Nature time, nature time.
Fairy, the cuckoo moves when it goes in and out of the clock.
That's true, Bunny. The cuckoo moves too, and it says it's nature time. I love visiting nature. Do you? It looks like our friends are still moving and grooving. Let's go see what they are doing.
Fly. Far. Fly. Near.
Chickadee flew far away and then close to us.
I climb up, up, up the tree. I climb down, down, down the tree.
Climbing is what chipmunks do best, climbing up and climbing down.
Hop, hop, hop. Dig, 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 dig.
Bunnies hop, and it looks like bunnies dig too.
It's true. I love hopping and I love digging. Can you dig it?
You're a real cool cat. I mean, bunny. Bunny. Chickadee flies, Munk climbs, and Bunny hops. That reminds me of a song. I walk all around the space. Chickadee flies with grace. Munk can climb with fastest pace. Bunny hops in place. Gnome can roll here and there, here and there, here and there. Gnome can roll here and there. We go everywhere. Sing with me, my friends. I walk all around the space.
Chickadee flies with grace.
Munk can climb at fastest pace.
Bunny hops in place.
We go everywhere. That was so much fun. Would you like to see how our other friends move?
Yes!
Walk and crawl and dance to the groove. Let's see how our other friends move. Our friends had fun moving their bodies.
Yay!
Friends.
They were on the go.
They were having so much fun.
Gnome wants to visit our friends again.
Let's watch again. Again, please.
Climb and fly and crawl and hop. Play again, friends. Don't you stop. Did you like watching our friends move and play? I did too. Oh, look! Chickadee, Munk, and Bunny are dancing. Let's go see. I loved seeing your dancing, my friends.
Let's dance to our song.
Great idea. Do you want to dance with us?
Hooray!
I walk all around the space.
Chickadee flies with grace.
Munk can climb at fastest pace.
Bunny hops in place.
We go everywhere.
That was fun.
Belly breathing, belly breathing.
Belly breathing will help us relax. Let's take turns breathing and resting.
Breathe in and out.
Breathe in. Rest.
Breathe in, out.
Oh, look! A flower. See your flower? Smell your flower. Let's try that again. See your flower? Smell your flower. Let's try that one more time. See your flower? Smell your flower. That was lovely. I feel so calm now. Do you? How do you feel, friends?
Good.
Calm.
Totes chill.
We love you so, but it's time to go. I hope you enjoyed the show.
The cuckoo clock says it's time to go. It's been so much fun to learn and grow. Thank you for coming. You're our very best friend. We'll be back soon. You'll see us again. Here in Fairy's house.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Love you.
Bye.
Love you. Bye.
We love you.
Like and subscribe.